Hey gang, Jesse at EC Auto Repair. I wanted to shoot a quick video for you, tell you about some warning lights on a vehicle that you may or may not know about. So if you come over here and look at my dash, I literally only have the car in accessory mode. This actually puts it in a test where you can test that all the lights are working. So you'll see that the StabiliTrak light is off. The traction control's off, the check engine light, like all those lights are lit up. The EV, the tire pressure sensor, the oil pressure, ABS light, we got brake light right here, battery light right here, I believe that's the coolant light. But any light that you're not familiar with, if you'll simply open up and go to your manual, you can go to warning lights in the index, or in this case at the very back. It tells me exactly what each light does and on what page I can learn more about that. So most vehicles have the same symbols to tell you, so it doesn't matter if you're driving a Chevy or a Ford or a Toyota or a Honda. It's going to be the same or very similar lights. But your a Google search or your owner's manual is always a source of truth to know exactly what that light means and what it does. Shooting you more videos to come. Stay tuned.